Now the idea was to dig some holes out here. This is where I was digging last time on the sucker unit, but I'm going to plant these plants down here. So I figured, well, why not put this on film and show this exactly how it works. You saw a 2-inch last time. This is a 3-inch here that I've got rigged up, and I experimented with different nozzles. So I'm going to show you how this works, and now you can imagine yourself, if you're up gold mining someplace, what you can actually do. Now this is DG, decomposed granite, and it's just almost like cement, right? That's a little bit of it. Now over here, see, I've got the hose, but I've got 2 hoses, right? Of course, one is my cutter hose, and one is my vacuum hose, or sucker, right? And then they both run back to the unit here. Now there's a 2-inch. You've seen this in operation before, right? It works absolutely beautiful. It'll go down 3-4 feet down in a hole, right? And over there is my unit. It's a 3,200 pound pressure. Got a nice little Honda on it. But there's a lot more experimentation to be done in this particular area. I know Hydroforest has done a lot of experimentation, but what I'm saying is this is a backyard piece of equipment, but it don't do just backyard stuff. You can see that hole. Let's get a little closer here. Now, you can see that, right? material is still hard. You can see the spots over there where I rammed it, but that's not wet. That's a dry, hard spot. All right? Now, I guarantee you, by experience, you'll need something like this to cover the splash. It's absolute necessity, right?